There, there, there. That one's starting to, but those are bees emerging out. And the wind's picking up out here today. I'm not sure how much that's going to affect these mites. I'm spending more time in the hives today than I was meaning to. Now this is a frame of brood on this side. That is a frame of brood. It's actually got younger brood, not capped yet. But this side is a lot of capped brood. And I just hit the hive tool across some honey and opened it a little.
Awesome. That's my cue to walk over there, because that tends to get them quick.